But if you take a look at Robert Lang's stuff, I folded all of it. So that's, part of the reason why I'm so interested in financial markets is because there are patterns that repeat, and it's infinitely intellectually stimulating. And so today, I'm really excited to talk about fractals because I put together a really interesting report and slide deck on fractal patterns and how they repeat over and over and over again. Because, I spend a lot of time analyzing charts. And the more time you spend taking a look at charts, the more you realize that there are patterns that repeat here on multiple time frames across all different asset classes. So really want to get into that. Um, and definitely want to talk about AI here today a little bit because AI is real. Like in 2000, that boom and bust cycle, that bubble, uh, there wasn't a super intelligent AI that was being created in 1998, 1999, and 2000. Looks as though there is one being created now, though. So AI is definitely real. Let's hop into this little market update real quick. So notice the RSI on ETH here. I'm going to start with ETH. So the RSI got all the way down to, and this is a daily. If you take a look at a 4-hour chart, though, the RSI got down to the lowest level since I think it was June, the Iran strike lows in June. So RSI was all the way down here at like a 15 on the 4-hour, which has marked lows in the past. So getting a really nice bounce today. And notice this pattern. Doesn't this pattern look like some type of repeating fractal? We're going to get into that when we get into the slide deck. But really nice to see this bounce here. And when I take a look at Bitcoin, let's just take a look over here at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin doesn't look very good to me. I really want to see this level of support hold. I want to see Bitcoin hold above 107 and a half. Really want to see this level of support hold, and I'd love to see this trend line support hold too. Um, I think as long as the little baby dip correction in the S&P and the Nasdaq is done, as long as that's done, and as long as gold can consolidate some of its gains, then I think in the month of October, it's likely that we're going to see Bitcoin really outperform, do extremely well. I'm looking forward to seeing that. And I'm just watching gold here for signs of consolidation, because it seems as though when gold starts to consolidate, that's when you see a little bit of a rotation into Bitcoin and digital assets.